Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Dancehall artist Ioctane has inked a new deal with Miami-based company Beautiful People Management and a recording deal with a San Francisco-based label Independent Distribution Collective. The latter is in preparation for his anticipated 2018 album. According to the Happy Time singer, the new album will display a more versatile but grown side of him. Ioctane's last album was My Journey, that was released in 2014. It charted on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in the #4 spot. Independent Distribution Collective is a music marketing and distribution company based in San Francisco that offers physical and digital distribution, marketing and promotion, artist development services, and music licensing. Since then, the reggae artist has delivered numerous worldwide top-charting singles while continuing to tour. Production on the latest installment of the Mission Impossible franchise went on hold over the weekend as movie star Tom Cruise sustained an ankle injury. Paramount Studio confirmed to CNN in a statement that during production on the latest film, Tom Cruise broke his ankle while performing a stunt. The star has also been busy working on America Made, an action film from director Doug Liman about a pilot who works for the CIA. Tom Cruise is expected to make a full recovery, and the movie is still on track for its original release date, July 27, 2018. And yesterday, all eyes were on the eclipse. Did you see it? 80s singer Bonnie Tyler performed her aptly titled track, Total Eclipse of the Heart, on board a cruise ship in the Caribbean as the solar event swept the US. She was joined by the band Dance, which was fronted by Joe Jonas.
Nothing I can say, yeah, total eclipse. Come on, yeah.
According to Billboard, the song, which was released in 1983, saw a 500% increase in sales since the once-in-a-lifetime event. And that's it for tonight's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.